What's going on, family? Today's video actually had to do a mounting of a TV, and I believe it was a 65-inch TV. I'm not sure, but we have the time-lapse video so you can see the process and the procedure. Let's get started. Hey, my name is Kenny. I am the owner of Robinson Handy and Technology Services. Today's TV mounting job was fairly straightforward. The customer had already purchased the TV and the mount, and so just basically had to put everything on the wall as well as hang the TV and was ready to go. This mount was different than one I've had to do in the past because I actually had to finish assembling the portion of the mount that actually hangs on or connects to the brackets for the TV. So this was a little bit different, but I was able to get it done fairly straightforward. As I mentioned, this mount is also a articulating mount, meaning you can move it left and right. It's not flush mount to the wall, and so it has a few options. It didn't have, I don't believe it had a tilt where you could tilt it up and down, but you could move it left and right to angle it. So if you're in let's say a open concept living room kitchen space, you could move it so that you could see it regardless of where you are in that space. That being said, let's get the time lapse rolling. But before the time lapse starts, for you YouTubers, please subscribe to the channel, and you Facebook people, please like this page. Here we go. First step in the process is to get the contents out of the box. Going to go ahead and review the instructions as well. Make sure that we have all the parts necessary for everything. Next, find the studs in the wall and mark them accordingly, and line up the template to where the marks have been located. Once we get those there, mark our X's or pluses, depending on how you want to do it, to note where to drill. And so I drill the holes into the studs. And before I continue, usually I'll drill the holes at the top first, and then we'll go back and drill the holes at the bottom. And that way I don't have to measure exactly where the holes at the bottom go, just go straight down from the holes at the top. And that's what you see me doing here with that one bolt at the top, and then come back and tighten in the remaining 4. Did the pull-up test to confirm that it won't come off the wall. Next, cutting open the box. And it is easier to attach the brackets on the back of the TV while it's still in the box. Most of these TVs nowadays have some kind of foam, something that can hold it up inside of the box. And you also have less chance of scratching it while it's still in the box. So I'm finding the right combination of screws in addition to spacers for the brackets that go on the back of the TV. There are 2 brackets that connect to the back of the TV. This TV, I believe, is VESA, V-E-S-A mount compatible, and these meet that particular standard. The next part is to assemble these arms that go onto this bracket. Once that has been assembled, pull out the screws and attach it to the mounting bracket that is on the wall. And there's 4 screws that go in that bracket on the wall, and tighten them down accordingly. Then take the TV out the box and mount it onto the wall. Last but not least, need to confirm that the TV works, and then ready to go. And that will wrap things up for this video. As always, come back next week to see whatever project is going to be worked on next. You never know. Maybe something you need done that I will be working on. Thank you for watching.